Hey guys, so today I just want to let you know how super simple it is to hook up to a repeater channel on your GMRS radio. There are a few steps that you do need to do before you can hook up to a repeater, but don't worry, we'll go through them. First step to figure out what repeater you're going to hook up to. You're going to go to mygmrs.com. Super simple, easy website to use. So if you have not registered already, you will need to do that. And to register for your new account, you will need to know what your GMRS call sign is. I am already registered and logged in, so my first step is just going to be to go to Maps. It's going to pull up a map of the United States and show you where all the repeaters are. I'm going to hook up to one over where I am, so that's going to be Seattle, Washington area, and we're going to hook up to this Olicom 3. So once you click on it, it'll bring up this short little window and it'll tell you frequency, output, and input tone. It'll also tell you the repeater type, which you do need to pay attention to. The repeater type will let you know if you do need to request access to use that repeater or not by the owner of the repeater. This is an open system, so we do not need to. We're just going to hit view detail. And what we do want to do is write down what the frequency is, as well as the input and output tone, because we do need to use those to hook up to it on our GMRS radio. Next step is going to be to go over to the user manual for your radio and see what channel it is going, that frequency is going to be for what channel. So ours that we're going to hook up to is 462.625, 462.625, and that's going to be channel 18. We do need to make sure that we have that written down, as well as your input and output tone. So when you go into the radio to input this information, you do have that ready. The next step is to just go wherever your radio is and start putting that information in that you got from mygmrs.com. So the next step is going to be to go to the radio that you are going to hook up to the repeater with. And today we're going to use a G1 from Rugged Radios. And we are going to go to that channel 18 on the repeater. Once you're on, if you're on channel 1, you're going to actually scroll backwards and it's going to go to the repeater channel. So we're going to go to channel 18. We're then going to hit this gear button and scroll down to tone codes. And the gear button again. And then we're going to use cross tones because our input and our outputs are the same. And then we're going to scroll down till we find 141.3. And then we're going to hit the gearbox again. And then it'll bring us back to this tone codes. And then we're going to hit the lock button and all the way out. And then you know you have successfully hooked up to a repeater when on this top, it does say TSQ. See? Super simple. Hopefully this helps anybody that is looking to hook up to a GMRS repeater. It really is just a few easy steps to get the right information to put into your radio. But once you do, you can go further.